Alright, so let's talk about the coordinate plane. So I got 3 dots on there. So that first one, the purple dot, that is at point 2, 2. My red one is at point -3, -4. And my green one is at -5, +4. So that's just naming points on the number line. Now, if you want to know how far apart any two numbers are, so let's get a different color. Let's go with this color. And so I want to know how far it is from that red dot to the purple one. Well, I draw this, but I want a direct shot. So now I have a right triangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5 spaces there, and 6 there. So now I can use those numbers 5 and 6 to find out what that distance is. Let's move this up a little bit so I get some room. So we use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I got 5 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So that's 25 plus 36 equals c squared. Give me 61 equals c squared. Square root that. It's going to be almost 8 because square root of 64 is 8. So just a little less than 8. So you could say c is about 7 8/10, 7 9/10, something around there would work. Alright, so let's do one more of those. Let's say we want to get from that green dot to the red dot. So we got 2 there, and we have 8 here. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we got 2 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. 2 squared is 4, 8 squared is 64. 4 plus 64 is 68 equals c squared. Square root that. So square root of 68 is going to be just a little bit more than 8. So you could say c is about 8 2/10. So that's how you find points on a coordinate plane, and then find a diagonal distance between 2 points.